Hello, this is Brittany down at Subaru of Puyallup for the internet sales team here. Just going to do a quick tutorial on how to install a front-facing booster seat in the 2022 Legacy. So right here we have our front-facing booster seat. First point that we're gonna do is the lap belt on the inside. So you're gonna feed it right through the little area right here. Go ahead and put that in. We're gonna go ahead and hit it tight. Next, we're gonna showcase how to do the anchor point for the second point. Okay, the second point is gonna be the tether. So right here, you just lift it up, take your tether point, click it, and we're gonna pull it tight as well. And that's going to be your second point to secure the front-facing booster seat. So that is going to be how you install a front-facing booster seat in the 2022 Legacy. If you have any questions at all, visit us at 720 River Road or SubaruofPuyallup.com.